So this is the bathroom. It's currently load shedding, so that's why it's dark. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for coming by. Please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and make sure that you stay. Anyway, this is part 2, and please make sure to check out part 1 to understand as to the style of this type of vlogging, as I won't be sharing too much information because I'm simply going with the flow of the weekend. Like I said, I just really had a slow weekend where I was just catching up on a few things that I've missed just to get back into the swing of things. And actually, you'll see everything as I'm doing it. Hope you enjoy it. The drive down to the beach was absolutely beautiful. The scenic view of the water, the mountain, the beautiful trees, and it was just so refreshing, and I really loved it. There's no place like home. Beach day. My nose is still going through. Sorry guys, it's gross, but it's my reality. So beach day. Super excited. Here to catch the sunset. Alrighty. It is so pretty. I made it to the beach. So happy to hear. There's no beach like South African beaches. Please don't even try it. I hope my thing is not out. Don't even try it. Oh, that feels so good. I am so excited and so happy to be back. So excited to catch the sunset. I almost fell. Okay, let me get off my phone. I'm being very unfriendly. Water is insanely cold, like super cold. like it. But that's Cape Town water, nothing new, but I'm still like, it's a no for me. Not today at least. So, yeah. Okay, this is probably so random, but I feel so alive at the beach. I feel so blessed to be able to witness all that God has created. I feel like the water represents so much. It represents boundaries. You know that God, when He comes into your life and He blesses you, it knows no boundaries. He makes a way where there seems to be no way. He opens doors that no man can shut. I feel like the water represents that, because this water right here knows no boundaries. As much as right now it's moving according to the boundaries it chooses, but whenever it feels like it should change its boundaries, no one can do anything about it. No one can stop it. And I feel like this is one of God's very representation of His being. I look at the mountains and I'm like, we see mountains so much more differently than God does. He commands the mountains to move and they will move. Like, His ways are nothing like our ways. His thoughts are nothing like our thoughts. I look at the sunset and I think, wow, God is the greatest artist of all time. He created art. He is art. And I just feel so blessed that I'm able to witness the different colors that He paints the sky, the birds flying in their freedom, knowing very well who feeds them. These are the things that motivate me even when I feel down. That God sees me and He sees me well. And what an honor it is to be known, loved, and seen by Him. water, child. Like, at least get me water. So yeah, that's my situation right now. It's good the other way. Yeah, the lighting is better this way. Yeah, my nose doesn't look good one bit. Yeah. That's my current situation, like. And first thing when people look at me, they look at my nose, they're just like, ma'am, you have like something over there. So I always like explain myself even before someone else can mention. I'm just like, hey, got a situation over here. My nose that's swollen. Don't mind it. When I don't have makeup on, then I put a lot of Vaseline, so it looks like it's moist or whatever. But yeah, I definitely want to leave my temples, go look at the water, but at the same time I haven't ordered, haven't gotten any help, so that's fun.
Mostic's Empire.
Anyway, the manager finally came to my rescue and I got some service at the end. I'm chilled, but it's pretty cold outside. So I'm happy to be in a car that's warm. Yes, well, I'm wearing something very short, like short sleeved. So that's why I feel cold.
How's been the day?
Oh, it's been a good day. How's your day been?
Yeah, it's been chilled.
Okay, my day's been chilled too. Yeah.
Sunday chills.
Yeah, Sunday chill. I went to go check out Cabo Beach Club, so it was my first time there today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You like it?
It was okay, it was okay. Nothing crazy, just okay really. grading me.
Thanks.
All right, likewise. The wind is crazy. Windy. Oh my god, come on. I have to make sure I close the door. Oh my god, so cold. But at least my toes are cute. And there's electricity, so I can use the elevator. So not all the way ghetto, just a tiny bit ghetto, just a bunch of ghetto. Floor 5. I got my pictures up in Georgia. Yes, that. Okay, let's get rid of the handbag because it's the only handbag I ever use. Ooh, body, yada. It's giving baldy. And that's on period. Body back to my apartment. Do you hear the wind, guys? That's how cold it is. I just read a shape, but it's just like, what the hell was that? Oh my god, what's the problem? The wind is coming for me. I need the bathroom. Ow! This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all your support. May God bless you, and make sure that you stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be part of this family. Bye!
I worship His soul.